Hey, so if you want to earn money from your home, hotel, or apartment by hosting on Booking.com, yeah, becoming a host is actually pretty straightforward if you follow the right steps. In this guide, I'll show you how to become a Booking.com host step by step in 2026. First, go to the Booking.com, list your property or partner page. Now sign up using your email and create a host account. Select what you're listing: hotel, apartment, guest house, or vacation rental. Add your property name, address, number of rooms, and basic information. Upload clear, high-quality photos and write a simple description that attracts guests. Set your nightly prices, cancellation policy, check-in time, and house rules. Add your bank account details so you can receive payments from guests. Booking.com may ask for verification before your listing goes live. Once approved, your property becomes visible and guests can start booking. From your dashboard, you can manage bookings, messages, pricing, and payouts anytime. And yeah, that's it. That's how you become a Booking.com host and start earning from your property.